Okay, Numi, first thing you gotta learn is the coordinate axis, which is what this is. You have the x-axis and the y-axis. Right there. Okay, those two lines are number lines. Let me write the numbers down. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you start at the middle. The middle right there where that 0 is called the origin, but that's not too important. Okay, anyways, it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you should have your homework out with you, so you can be looking at this while I do this. The values also go in the negative direction. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So that. And those are the values along the x-axis. Along the y-axis you have also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is called the coordinate axis, and it's used to identify a point inside of here. So that's important because you have two triangles in your coordinate axes, and they're asking you about the coordinates of the corners. All right, let me draw what I'm saying. So you have a triangle at these points right here. Okay. If you look at your homework, you probably know what triangle I'm talking about. The corners of the triangle, there's 3 corners. Each corner has a coordinate associated with it. That just means each corner has a name. And any point within these coordinate axes will have this. And they are of the form xy, where that means that you're going to have 2 numbers within these parentheses, separated by a comma, right there. And x means the distance along the x-axis, so the x-axis, remember, is this one. So, let's say this point. Where is it at? It's at -4. So you would say -4 up here, because these are the ones that represent that. And then the second number would be along the y-axis. This is the y-axis here. That point, where is it at? Let's see, if we go right over here, we see that it's at 0. So we write the 0 right there. Okay? For this point, the first number along the x-axis, let's see, that point corresponds to that number right there, so that's -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So the first number would be -5. And the second number along the y-axis, well, that point corresponds to that number, -2, on the y-axis. So the second number would be -2. And then the very last point, the x coordinate, that's what it's called. Let's see, this point corresponds to the 0 on the x-axis. So 0. And along the y-axis, well, let's see, it's on the y-axis. It's at -3. -3. And those are pretty much the answers for number 1, part A. Part A. And in your triangle they draw, well, they write letters with the triangles L.